Here we go. All right, pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. There's my jam. Engineer, high side of the tower, over to the dive gate. Boomerang running second. Peter Fuse running third. Sticks and Stones running fourth. It's a 3-lap race. Here comes your leader, Engineer, your top qualifier in this consolation bracket, now flying smooth with a 31.8. This is heat number 10. There is a lot of racing still to do as they go to top 2, move to race number 12. Top 2 of that, race 13 and 14. So a couple more packs. We can redeem ourselves with that double elimination bracket into our top 4, final 4 to race. Everyone working on lap number 2. With some gap and separation. Ooh. We may have just lost Peter Fuse. He's going to try and recover remotely as well. He was running third and then dropped into fourth. And now he's going to be coming from behind as well to try and stay alive. Engineer and Boomerang now on that final lap. And yet to be challenged here by Sticks and Stones running third to get onto that lead lap. Here's an interesting line. Here he goes. He gets onto that lead lap, but he's 18 seconds back off of Boomerang. Engineer with the win of race number 10. Now we don't want to jinx anything. Let's finish out our laps. There we are. Boomerang FPV going to finish up in the number 2 spot. That is going to put Sticks and Stones in the number 3, Peter Fuse in the number 4 for all those gaming along with the Hydra FPV app. You just moved to first? Come on. Sticks and Stones going to round out lap number 3. Still a solid 3 because of the NASCAR rule. And that is going to put him, I think, about a